Hey everybody, it's Monday morning, August 18th. Looking at the Astro Excel for the week ahead, we're pretty much in bullish territory the whole week. And then we drop back down into neutral territory on Friday on the green line, as you can see right here. Notice that we're above the plus 10 line for pretty much the whole week. The early part of the week through Tuesday, we're bouncing between the 10 and 20 line. We make a big push up, bullish power late Tuesday through Wednesday up to about the plus 35 area here after the day session closed Wednesday. Then we're moving back down from there. We get below the 10 line for the whole day session on Friday. So we have bullish implication for the week ahead. Blue line. Remember, look to trade the lines in sync. Blue line peaks, we've got one right now here, 8 a.m. Monday. We've got one tonight at 1800. Early morning Tuesday at 2 a.m. Next one at the end of the day session, Tuesday 1600. We've got three consecutive highs here, 1 a.m., 9 a.m., and 2100 on Wednesday. Blue line spike low, 1 a.m. on the 21st. Spike high at 1400. Moving into Friday, 1 a.m., 4 a.m. spike lows. A spike high at 12 p.m. and that's it for the week on the blue line. So there's the Astro Excel picture for the coming week. I use this in tandem with the other trend information, the one I showed in the prior two videos before this one, and also the Vedic trend segments, which I've illustrated in the past. These give really good indications for trend direction when used together.